Welcome to the breathtaking coastline of Nova Scotia. I'm going to take you on a journey, flying over waves, rugged cliffs and shores, in the pounding ocean, where many creatures call home. Nova Scotia means New Scotland in Latin, and is a province surrounded by water in the Atlantic Ocean on three sides. Its coastline stretches for more than 7,500 kilometers, making it one of the longest coastlines in the world relative to its size. The Atlantic Ocean here is more than just a body of water. It's a force of nature. With its deep, cold waters, the Atlantic brings with it powerful waves that crash against the coast, shaping the land in an ongoing dance of erosion and renewal. The waters of the Atlantic off Nova Scotia's shores are teeming with life. Beneath these rolling waves lie a diverse ecosystem that supports an array of species, from playful dolphins to cormorants to majestic whales and countless seabirds soaring above. And every year, thousands of humpback and minke whales migrate through these waters, feeding on rich abundance of plankton and small fish. Seals, seabirds, and even occasional orcas can be seen in these waters, all thriving on this nutrient-rich environment. Beyond the waves, Nova Scotia's coastal flora is equally as diverse. Thick forests of spruce, pine, and birch cover the land, while salt-tolerant plants like seagrasses and wildflowers dot the shorelines. Nova Scotia is also famous for one of the most dramatic tidal ranges in the world. At the Bay of Fundy, the tides can rise and fall as much as 16 meters, more than the height of a 5-story building. As we soar above these wind-swept shores, it's clear that Nova Scotia's coastline is more than just a beautiful place. But the ocean, with all its power and beauty, is not invincible. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are threatening the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Conservation efforts in Nova Scotia are working to preserve these unique coastal environments by reducing waste, protecting marine habitats, and promoting sustainable practices. We can ensure that the future generations will continue to enjoy the splendor of the Atlantic Ocean. It's a living, breathing part of our planet, a place where the raw power of the Atlantic Ocean meets the tranquility of nature, and where life thrives against the odds. Thank you for watching. This is Crosswind Nature. Please like, subscribe for more videos.